What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the wild world of power adder. You know, the stuff that makes your engine go from pretty good to hold on tight because we're leaving this planet soon. We all crave more power, right? That kind of power that pins you back in your seat. But the big question is, how do you get it? There are three big players that I want to talk about: turbochargers, superchargers, and nitrous oxide, or as we like to call it, the giggle gas. Each one has its pros and cons, and choosing the right one for your car and your needs is key. So buckle up, because we're all about to get schooled. First up, the tried and true, based off my channel, the turbocharger. Okay, turbos, how do they work? Basically, they take the exhaust gases that would have been wasted in your engine to spin that turbine. That turbine then forces more air into your engine, resulting in more power. It's basically like giving your engine a big lung full of oxygen. The upside, turbochargers are super efficient. You get a lot of bang for your buck, especially on smaller engines. They've also become super common, so there's a ton of aftermarket support for them. But, and this is a big but, turbo lag. There's a moment of delay from hitting the gas to the turbo spooling up. It can be annoying if you're not used to it. Also, turbos tend to create a lot of heat, so you'll definitely have to take advantage of any cooling options you can put on your engine. Alright, next up, the supercharger. Superchargers are basically an air pump that drives air directly into the engine via a belt. Think of it like a really aggressive fan that's feeding your engine more air immediately. The best part about a supercharger is the instant power. There is no lag. As soon as you hit the gas, you feel the boost. Plus, the sound. There's nothing like a whine of a supercharger at full tilt. Superchargers are less efficient than turbos. They take power from the engine to make power. So they may not be the best for fuel economy. And they can sometimes be a bit more bulky to install, especially on older cars. Finally, let's talk about the wild card, nitrous oxide. Okay, nitrous. This is the stuff of movie magic. It's basically a chemical compound that, when injected to your engine, releases extra oxygen, resulting in a huge, instant power boost. It's like giving your engine a pure shot of adrenaline. The pros? Unbelievable power gains. It's the most affordable and easiest way to get a significant boost. Plus, it's on demand, so you only use it when you want it. The downsides? Well, it's not a continuous power adder. You have to refill the bottle. Also, nitrous can be hard on your engine if it's not done correctly, so proper tuning and supporting modifications are crucial. So, which power adder is right for you? It really depends on your goals. Do you want sustained power and efficiency? Look into a turbo. Do you want instant power and sound? A supercharger could be your thing. Or are you craving a huge hit of power on demand? Then nitrous might be your fix. The most important thing though, do your research before you buy anything. Talk to professionals, read reviews, and really think about what you want out of your car. Don't just go for the biggest number, go for the right number for you. And with all that being said, that's it for today. Let me know in the comments what power adder you're running or dreaming of installing. As always, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and have a good day.